Okay students, now please look at question number 6. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2, etc. Here an AP is given 11, 8, 5, 2, etc. And we need to check whether minus 150 is a term of this AP or not. The question is, check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2, etc. Isn't it? So for that, what we will do is, we will first consider, let minus 150 be a term of the AP. Let minus 150 be a term of the AP. And we will find out which term of this AP is minus 150. Okay. First we will consider, let minus 150 be a term of this AP, and through that we will find out which term of this AP is minus 150. So to find out minus 150, which term of this AP is minus 150, for that we will take AN as minus 150 and we will have to find the value of N, isn't it? To know which term of this AP is minus 150, we have to take minus 150 as AN, and through that we will find out the value of N. And if the value of N is a positive integer, we can say that yes, minus 150 is a term of the AP. If the value of N is not a positive integer, then minus 150 is not a term of the AP. Hope it is clear. Okay, so we'll do this. Answer. Here A equal to 11. A is the first term. Common difference D, it is 8 minus 11, that is what? Minus 3. Isn't it, students? Now substituting these values, AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN, which is minus 150, equal to D, it is minus 3. So that is minus 150 minus 11 equal to N minus 1 into minus 3. Okay, so subtracting this, we will get minus 161 equal to N minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 161 by minus 3 equal to what? N minus 1. Isn't it? So finally, therefore, this can be positive. N equal to what? 161 by 3 minus 1 will go to the other side and it will become positive. Isn't it? Now we can do the cross multiplication here. So N equal to 161 plus 3 into 1, it is 3 by 3 is equal to 164 by 3. Isn't it? Now we can divide and check what is 164 divided by 3. 3 into 4, 12. 3 into 6, 18. So we got here it is 54.6. The value of N here it is 54.6, which is not a integer, which is not a positive integer, isn't it? So we can say that therefore minus 150 is not a term of the AP. Not a term of the given AP. Is it clear? Why? Because the value of N, it must be a integer. It must be a positive integer in short. Okay, so we can finally say that minus 150 is not a term of the given AP. Can we look at the next question, students? Please take it to your notebook, okay? Okay, students, now please look at question number 7. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. 11th term is given, it is 38 and 16th term is 73, and we are asked to find 31st term of the AP. We know usually we will be given an AP like 3, 6, 9, etc. something, and from that we will be asked to find 31st term or something, which is easy for us, isn't it? But instead of giving an AP directly, they have given us what 11th term of the AP is 38 and 16th term of the AP is 73. Find its 31st term. That is the question. So how to deal with it? Listen here, students. We know how to denote nth term of an AP, isn't it? Nth term of the AP is denoted as AN. So similarly, how can we denote 11th term? A11, isn't it? How can we denote 100th term? A100. Now, how do we expand AN? A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n. From this n we subtract 1 multiplied with D, isn't it? N, it became n minus 1 multiplied by D. So the similar way, 11, A11 can be written as A plus. Here n became n minus 1. So 11 will become 11 minus 1. What is 11 minus 1? That is 10 multiplied by D. So A11 will be A plus 10D. So similarly, how can we write A100? 100th term we can write it as A100. How can we represent, how can we expand this? A100 will be equal to A plus 100 minus 1, that is 99D. How can we write 17th term? A70, 75th term, isn't it? A75. How can we expand? A plus 75 will become 74D. How can we write 32nd term of the AP? A32 can be expanded as A plus 32 minus 1, that is 31D. I hope now you got. Okay, so 31st term we need to find, whose 11th term is 38 is given, isn't it? 11th term is 38. Yeah, so for that 11th term we can expand it as A11 equal to A plus 10D. Hope now you understood this. Now look at it, students. A11 equal to 38. In the question it is given 11th term is 38. So now we will expand, implies A11 is what? A plus 10D. That is what? 38. Okay. And also it is given that 16th term, denoted as A16, is 73. That is, we can expand it as A plus 15D equal to 73. Hope you got. Okay. Now we have two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. We have a pair of equations, a pair of linear equations in two different variables. Here the two variables are A and D. And we have learned this, how to solve a pair of equations in two variables. Isn't it? In chapter 3, we have different methods are there. So we will apply elimination method, that is equation 1 minus equation 2. Applying elimination method, we can solve this. So for that we will subtract equation 1 minus equation 2. Okay, A minus A, that is 0. 10D minus 15D. 10D minus 15D, it is minus 5D equal to 38 minus 73. So for that 73 minus 38 when we do, we'll get 35. Okay, so 38 minus 73, it will become minus 35. Okay, so therefore D equal to minus 35 by minus 5, that is what? Positive 7. Now we got the value of D. Substitute this value of d in any one of these equations, either in equation 1 or equation 2. Okay, I am putting in equation 1. Put the value of d equal to 7 in equation 1. So we will get a plus 10d. It will become 10d. It is what? 10. Replacing d with 7, we will get 10 into 7. That is what? 38. In the equation it is a plus 10d equal to 38. So a plus, I replaced d with 7 here. Okay, that is what? A plus 7d equal to 38. Now therefore a equal to 38 minus 70. That is what? 38 minus 70 is minus 32. Isn't it, students? Okay, now we got the values of a and d. Finally, what's the question? Find the 31st term of an AP whose first term is minus 32 and common difference is 7. Now it is reduced till here. Now we can find the value of the 31st term. For that we can apply the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, we have to find what? 31st term of the AP. So A31 is what? A, the first term here it is minus 32 plus n. We have to find 31st term. So n it is 31 minus 1 into d. What is d? Here it is 7. Isn't it, students? So solving here, minus 32 plus 31 minus 1, that is what? 30 into 7. 30 into 7 we can write it as 210. Okay, so minus 32 plus 210. Okay, now solving here we will get 178. Hope it is clear. Okay, so here finally, therefore the 31st term of the given AP is 178. Okay, please take to your notebook. We will solve few more similar kind of questions right now.